Everybody got a bomb. Every day. I'm dealing with logics here, man. Not homosexual. What took place when Jesus saw them selling and gambling and stuff and exchanging merchandise in the church? What happened? What happened? No, that's no. Yeah, no. What happened when he saw that in the church? It was just selling and come on, man. You know what I'm saying. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Now you take that incident in the Bible when Jesus becomes very angry, right? So you don't think he's angry about homosexuality in his church? In his father's house? In his father's house? You don't think he's angry about homosexuality in his father's house? Yeah? He turned tables up, became very upset. But don't you think he's angry? Don't you think he's angry by these homosexuals practicing in his father's house? Yeah. The Son of God. Yeah. Of course. Because he's inside of us. But let's deal with logic here for a second. Right? Let's deal with logic, right or wrong, right and wrong. He becomes upset at just merchants being sold in his father's house. Angry. Do you think he's angry now? So do you think he's angry now that what's going on in his father's house? Huh? Of course he's angry. Yeah, he's angry, man. It's an abomination. It's an abomination. They was just practicing selling the merchandise in his father's house, and he becomes angry. No, there's an abomination being taking place. You think that would be the reason the world is changing? Maybe we all might die. Maybe we all might die. It might be the whole reason.
This is Brooklyn Bridge, City Hall.
Transfer is available to the J and Z train.
I'm gonna make up my thing and everybody got a bomb and the whole world's gonna blow up. Come on, man, let's be for real. They could be them homosexuals, man. That we all gonna die because of them.
This is a Brooklyn bound.
Nobody says nothing.
Street. The next stop is Fulton Street.
The whole world is threatened. The whole world, I gotta live with that. That's my reality. That's madness. Why? Why must I live in a world where the whole world is threatened?
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Kill off the world. That is madness. Why? 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 Dad, why? Because of the homosexuals, that's why. The whole freaking world. This is not one country's threatening. The whole microwave situation, microwave condition. The world of microwave. Nobody says nothing. There are all these head of states. I'm not just regular head of states, but Dad, all these leaders. Come on, follow scripture. Look at scripture for what it is. These homosexuals could be the root of the whole problem. These homosexuals could be the problem, the reason the whole world is threatened.
This is Fulton Street.
Transfer is available to the 2, 3, A, C, J and
Yeah, but
trains.
why should the whole world got to be suffering because of homosexuals? It shouldn't be going on in the churches. The truth, the bottom line is, it should not be practiced in the churches. These priests should not be marrying other men in the churches, man. Come on, that's the devil. That's the works of the devil. That's what the word is trying. That's the works of the devil. That's straight up the works of the devil. That's Jesus.
This is a Brooklyn bound 4 express train. The next stop is Wall Street.
They're empowering the devil. That's all they're doing, making the devil more powerful. That's all they're doing. They're empowering Satan.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
You have all these colleges and these intellectuals. How they can't figure that out? How colleges and intellectuals can't figure out that homosexuals should not be getting married in churches? Come on. They can't figure that out? That's why the whole world is threatened. Everybody's dead. Why? Because of the homosexuals.
This is Wall Street.
Jesus gave his life, his blood.
This is a Brooklyn bound 4 express train. The next stop is Bowling Green.
Churches marry each other. You couldn't even sell dogs. You couldn't sell merchandise in the churches. But they will marry 2 men. Without Jesus becoming angry, you couldn't. It's scripture. You could not have.